In social media, what we see at the IAB is a lot of confusion amongst brand marketers about how to use social. So someone has a Facebook platform here, someone has a Twitter platform here, and then you look at it and you kind of don't know how to kind of look at that holistically. So one of the things we wanted to do as a social media council at the IAB is to make sure that marketers had the tools that they needed to be able to have a view of everything that's happening in social, all the comments, all the likes, all the activity. And then from that, have a reporting analytics measurement tool that's very, very good in terms of looking at data. You can get a lot of columns of data, you can get a lot of information, but data visualization, something particularly easy to look at, would probably really help a lot of marketers and agencies make better decisions in social. We always need to be looking at innovation, and I think when you think about digital, you always have to be looking at the new and embracing the new, and particularly when you think about startups and you think about new technology and companies that are innovating, we really need to work harder to make sure that they have the tools and the support they need to help the economy overall. As we know, it's one of the biggest growth sectors for the UK. In your dream world, you'd see something that united a view of all the platforms that most marketers today use. So something that looks at LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, maybe even Snapchat. That being said, I think realistically it would be great if a proof of concept kind of came that at least looked at one or two of those platforms, and at the same point had some really good kind of monitoring and analytics tools that were very, very easy to understand, so that somebody that's not necessarily a data person, potentially a CMO, potentially a CFO, could look at the screen and really understand the power of social and what it was doing and why we were doing it. In terms of advice or hints or tips, I'd say that focusing on the data visualization element or something new and innovative in a way of presenting information would probably be really, really great, even if you could only do it for one platform. I think that a marketer's view of what's going on out there, it's almost too much noise when you think about what's happening in social. So focusing on that piece of making it very, very simple and intuitive would probably be my hint for a winning application.